Eye on Politics reporter Jack Fink in the newsroom. Some really big wins today for the Trump administration, Jack.
Well, Nicole, the justices ruled 6-3 that the Trump administration could begin planning to partially enforce the president's executive order to end birthright citizenship, while the merits of the case are still being considered by a lower federal court. But this decision by the Supreme Court today does not rule one way or the other if the 14th Amendment, that has guaranteed citizenship to all people who are born in the U.S., is actually constitutional. That will come later. What this decision did do is limit what are called nationwide injunctions, in which a single federal district judge in a particular city decides to put a nationwide hold on a law, which is what happened in this case. We spoke with an appellate attorney in Dallas, David Cole, about what the Trump administration can do now.
The court was voiding any order that kept the administration from planning ahead about how they were going to go forward and enforce and implement this executive order. So during that period of time, the administration is free to make plans and think, okay, we're going to do this, we're going to do that, we're not going to do this.
And so in response to today's ruling, a variety of organizations have filed a new nationwide lawsuit seeking class action status that challenges the Trump administration's executive order to restrict birthright citizenship. The American Civil Liberties Union, which is filing the lawsuit, said in a statement, quote, "Every court to have looked at this cruel order agrees that it is unconstitutional." Also today, the Supreme Court upheld a Texas law that requires pornographic websites to verify the ages of their customers. The state law allows the Texas Attorney General to enforce it by investigating any complaints and potential violations and assess fines. The author of the bill, Republican Representative Matt Shaheen of Prosper, said the law provides privacy protections for Texans.
We also mandated in the statute that the information that's collected to do the age verification, it cannot be stored. It's not allowed to be stored. So once the age verification process is complete, that data is gone to protect the individual's identity. So we did take that into account.
In a statement opposing today's ruling, Allison Bowden, executive director of the Free Speech Coalition, said, quote, "The government should not have the right to demand that we sacrifice our privacy and security to use the internet. This law has failed to keep minors away from sexual content, yet continues to have a massive chilling effect on adults." Well, it's certainly been a busy week politically. I feel like I've been saying that a lot lately. And coming up Sunday morning on Eye on Politics, we're going to take a deeper dive into Governor Abbott's veto of the ban on THC products and the special session he called. And last week we heard from the new Republican taking control of the Texas Comptroller's office. Well, now we're going to hear from two other candidates running to become the state's chief financial officer. So get your fix for Texas politics. Watch Eye on Politics at 7:30 Sunday morning here on CBS News Texas, and we're also streaming. Nicole, we'll send it back to you.
Yeah, I said yesterday, never a dull day in politics. Jack, we appreciate you. Thank you.